Amy, the marketing conference delegate, walks into the hotel bar. She's got a dinner with friends later, so her priority now must be to network. Her smart contact lenses, a partnership between Samsung and Bausch & Lomb, bring up a LinkedIn overlay of the entire room thanks to the facial recognition software in the CCTV system. The display pinpoints people it thinks that she should talk to, with their name, title and company outlined in red, orange or green, depending on the most relevant to her current business development strategy, determined by her Genie organisational app. After identifying a suitable unmet contact, Amy introduces herself and offers to buy a drink. Rather than queue at the bar, she simply outlines a Heineken star with her finger in the air. This branded gesture-based mnemonic is picked up by motion tracking cameras, which relay the information to a secure vending machine. She pays by placing her fingertip on a reader which uses biocryptology to measure her hemoglobin and provides secure ID verification. The drinking, you'll be glad to know, is still done the old-fashioned way. This being an advertising conference, Justin Bieber will be on stage tomorrow, being interviewed by the Dalai Lama about his experience of turning to the priesthood. Amy asks if her contact remembers the footage of Bieber going crazy at the paparazzi in London a few years ago. She draws a box shape on a nearby wall and uses voice commands to trigger one of the Intel-powered mini projectors on the ceiling to beam the YouTube footage directly in front of them. The night wears on. Amy is alerted by her lenses that A, Google Now is telling her she's going to be late for that dinner, and B, her electronic skin tattoo is registering considerable alcohol levels in her blood, and that she might want to grab a water on her way out. Knowing that her dinner is 1.4 miles away, Google asks if she'd like a driverless Chevrolet electric taxi to pick her up. She's pleasantly surprised to find that as a Heineken customer, her fare has been subsidised as part of the brand's responsible drinking programme. Cue ancient gesture-based mnemonic.